and I hope that you all enjoyed this video. We are going to make a beautiful candle holder using these blocks that I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use some of this crushed diamond wrap. It's so old, y'all. We're going to use some of our crushed diamonds, all-purpose clear glue, our brush, candle holder, and these beautiful tiles that I got from dieflart.com. Okay, Glam Fam, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure our blocks, or whatever you want to call it. We're just going to make sure that they are as even as possible, because these blocks at Dollar Tree, they are not always, you know, the same size. So I guess that's why they be $1. So what we're going to do is just glue them all together. Okay, so this is how it should look, and then we're going to go ahead and do all 4 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and let each side dry, and then we're going to come back and finish. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is what we're looking like, and it's not completely dry, but I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next part so that it can all, you know, be working together, like drying, you know, getting dry together. So the top piece, I'm just going to put one of these mirrored squares, in which I forgot to tell y'all about. I'm just going to glue this on top of the candle holder. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take some of our crushed diamond wrap, and y'all, this is so old, so you know, I'm just using you know, what I already have. So we're going to take some of this, and we're going to go around the edges of the candle holder. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm going to clean this up, fix it up, and then we're going to see how it looks. And we're going to go ahead and start with another bonus DIY. Okay, so here are the boxes that we're going to use. I didn't paint these silver. I should have, but I didn't. So we're just going to go ahead and take the tops out of the box. We're going to glue them together. And this DIY, y'all, because I'm trying to save some time because I actually have to go to work. So I'm trying to do this very quickly, but giving the same look to pair up with the candle holders. Oh, y'all, look, I see a cute little ladybug. I love ladybugs. It has nothing to do with this. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm going to go ahead and put these on the sides of the boxes. Y'all, I'm trying to measure it up right. I'm not, y'all know how I do. I eye everything, so. Glam fam, so this is how our crushed diamond candle holders turned out. I think they are absolutely gorgeous, just beautiful. I love this, and I am going to keep it in my home. So y'all, if y'all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.